Hi everybody, this is just a quick video showing my API fetch program and JSON viewer. So it's pretty self-explanatory. The instructions are right here. There's not a whole lot to it, but I made this program because I've been working a lot with APIs recently in my projects, and this just helped me speed things up, and I figured it might be able to help a couple other people out, so I might as well share it. So right here, the only thing that you're going to put in is a link. So the link is going to be an API fetch. Right now, this is just the JSON of the GitHub API request, not too complicated. So it's just going to show it here. You can view it, check the different whatever. And then this shows you how to request all of this information, either through JavaScript or through Python. So say you don't want to get everything, you just want a certain thing. You can click the individual lines. So you can see this is adding in below, and it's formatted for whatever way it needs to be. Or you can remove them. And then basically when you run this, it's just going to grab you just that line. So why is this useful? Well, if you have something more complicated, my fault. So if you have something a little bit longer, so say we'll use the like a baseball game, right? So this is going to be all that content from a baseball game. You want to get the most recent lineup picture. So we're going to take the MLB API. We're going to click this image. We'll go down to the next one. We'll take this image as well. All right, and then we're just going to scroll down. We got the Python code. We'll copy it here, paste it here, and then this is going to be the whole thing, but we just want the two images. All right, so you just run this. And just like that, it's just going to return the image. And this will work whenever this updates because it's not based off like absolute. It's just based off the path names and the paths. And this will just show you whatever is being hosted. Obviously, there's some better use cases. So, for example, you want to check the wait time of a certain ride. So I've been making like a little model of a wait time with a little clock on Arduino, and I can put this in Python. And it's going to say invalid API. And that has to do because of like the cores and the refer. So what you can do, you take that link, and it'll work in a browser. So you can copy it here. I don't know if the error will show up, but you can just see, type of fetch is just not going to work. So you copy the JSON. You can go here, manual JSON entry. You paste it, and then you submit it. Back on track, sorry. So this is going to be the Epcot API wait times. You can go in here. For example, we got my favorite ride, Living with the Lands. So say you just want to get a couple informations about it. You want the name, and you want the wait time and last updated. We're just going to click those, come down to the Python, click this, and then again, if we run this, it'll just show you the name, the wait time, and last updated. So right now, it's a 5-minute wait. You can plug this Python in. All you need is the request library, and this will run on any kind of like Arduino or whatever, as long as there's an internet connection. And that's generally the functionalities of this. It's mostly just for kind of navigating and viewing JSON and the APIs. But I think it makes it a bit easier to use. It's a little bit less just like repetitive at navigating. So hope it helps anybody else.